My name is Joe Schmidt, and the title of this poem is Revelation. Revelation. The answer came, but not in my time. A still small voice from deep in my mind. Many years of toil I had to fight through, thick layers of pain to find something true. The masks all came off, I finally found that the liar was me, with chains I was bound. From my very first breath, the traps were in place to stop me from seeking his holy face. He opened my cell and reached out his hand and said, "Son, do not fear. This is part of my plan. Many are suffering, and you need to tell that they too can escape their prison cell. Like I said to Job a long time ago, there are just some things you don't need to know. I wouldn't be God if I were so small, but there is an answer sufficient for all. The enemy he fights, so many won't hear my message of hope, that I love you so dear. I pulled you from the fire, it's time to break free. Go find the others that don't yet know me. It's not as easy as they think it is, 'cause the enemy too thinks they are his. You ate the apple, and perfection was lost. I'll restore my plan, no matter the cost. He was there at the start, my only son, to bleed for a crime he hadn't done. So we'd be together forever in a place where there is no pain, only love and grace.